This is 21, and it is coconut to the side. Okay, put her down. Got a good view there.
Bruno.
This is Bruno.
65.
He's male dog. Okay. Alrighty. One more. And this one is Palsy?
Paisley.
Paisley. Paisley. She's got a little dot. Hey, Paisley. Okay. Grandkids are optional. If you want to buy one, they're a little more than the puppies.
We're just about...
Some days, though, I'd give them away. But they take care of everything. They're our best poop scoopers around. Them some nice little puppies. Huh? Nice little puppies. Right, kids?
Yeah. Here, babies.
They're 10 weeks, I think. Let me catch them out there, honey. Here they come. They like getting out in this grass. Alrighty. Give us a call. They'll be ready to go. We do ground shipping.